Welcome to Social Posting SEO. I'm Jean Kalinda, and I'm a wife, a mom, a grandmother, and a soon-to-be great-grandmother. I've lived in Myrtle Beach, South Carolina for 35 years. I'm also a lifelong entrepreneur, and I love marketing. Now, when I find something that works in my own agency, I feel compelled to share it. My specialty is social media posting. I have thousands of custom-made graphics, and the process is automated. Now, I'm not an SEO expert, so I team up with an SEO expert when my clients want the whole enchilada. And I discovered that my clients' rankings shot up when we combined social posting with SEO efforts. You'll see the images on the sales page below showing some of the results. This will work with any business. I encourage you to read every word of the sales page and jump on board today. I promise you won't be disappointed.